G-Sync compatible monitors tend to be expensive. The cheap ones are predominantly old or refurbished, so it's nice to have some budget options like the Dell S2417DG. Dell's price is on the high side, even on sale, but you can find it for about $400 if you search a little, and under £400 $680, which is a pretty good deal for what it offers. Quad HD resolution, higher refresh rates, fast response time and G-Sync/ULMB support. If you're looking for a general purpose monitor, this isn't the display to get. Like most inexpensive, fast gaming monitors, it uses a twisted pneumatic panel, a technology which enables fast response times and higher refresh rates, but has poor color and visibility characteristics. It's not the worst TN display I've seen, but I wouldn't even suggest it for anything other than gaming. The viewing angle issues are terrible, as is typical of TN. You can see, but the colors change significantly, and text washes out. Streaming video looks washed out as well, thanks to its limited dynamic range. But for gaming, at least for fast-paced games, you probably won't notice any of those issues, unless you've got it set up side by side with a better display. I prefer a 27-inch monitor in general, and the S2417DG does seem confining compared with one. The thin bezel lets you set them up for side-by-side operation. But, as with most monitor designs, this setup blocks the two USB ports on the left side. You can also rotate it vertically for side-by-side placement that way.